When I pick this flower out of the ground, a new one will grow in its place because the roots are still alive. Just like how your adult teeth once replaced your baby teeth. We all know that our adult teeth are our last set of teeth. Or are they? Think about it like this. A world where losing our adult teeth isn't the end of the world and fear of painful restoration can be reversed. With iPSCs, this breakthrough is entirely possible.
Just like every plant starts from a seed, every structure in our body starts from a cell. iPSC stands for Induced Pluripotent Stem Cell, and it's like a seed that can grow into any flower. It begins as an adult skin or blood cell and is reprogrammed to become almost any type of cell in the body. Our teeth need two main cells, epithelial cells, which make enamel, that hard outer part of your teeth, and mesenchymal cells, which make dentin and pulp, the other two layers of your teeth. And the cool part is, scientists can turn iPSCs into these two specific tooth cells. From there, scientists make a tooth germ, a tiny bundle formed by epithelial and mesenchymal cells. The tooth germ will grow into a real, fully functioning tooth with nerves, crown, roots, and all. Think of it like planting a seed. When the tooth germ is in our jaw, it grows into a flower, your new tooth.
Right now, these tooth germs are grown in the jaws of animals, but soon they could be grown in the jaws of humans. There's still many limitations on this breakthrough, like beginning human trials and shaping the tooth, but the progress is real. Tooth regeneration can reshape dentistry, transforming pain into possibility. As someone who yearns to make dentistry about trust and comfort, this breakthrough can plant the seed for the future of comfort dentistry.